Video now.
Go ahead, Roy.
You got gloves on, Pat. Go for it.
We need Marlon Perkins here.
Who?
Marlon Perkins, Wild Kingdom. Take me out to the ball game. Buy me some peanuts and cracker jacks. I don't care if we ever get back. Get him, Roy.
I seen that. I got that good. Jump up off the ground.
That's a humping, jumping turtle right there.
That's it.
I'm still videoing. I hope it move a little bit.
Oh, he moving.
I got him jumping off the ground anyway.
I'll tell you one thing, he don't want to be fucked with.
Let's see here.